So we've been in Augusta for a couple of days.
It's our first bath time in the van.
Hi, I'm Bianca, and this is my husband Grant. We're currently travelling Australia full-time with our two dogs, Frank and Baxter. Come join us on our adventures.
Oh, that feels right.
Oh, the camels.
Good afternoon.
So we've been in Augusta for a couple of days. We've just been like cleaning and like life maintenance type of stuff.
Domestic duties.
Yeah, we went and got our second COVID jab. Oop, that's not
That's
working.
weird, yeah.
That's a bit better.
That's better.
Hi.
Hi.
So we've currently pulled into the Augusta hospital and we're going to go get our second Pfizer COVID vaccination.
Yep.
So, yeah, we had our first one at Cadney when we were working. The Royal Flying Doctors came in and gave us all the vaccine.
Yeah, that was cool.
That was amazing of them to do that, to fly out to the regional areas and give us all the vaccine. So 4 weeks later, we've booked into Augusta and we're going to get our second jab.
Get it done.
Yep, so hopefully it's pain-free. We will see.
Yeah, just to help us travel, pretty much.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, like...
Get ready? So, all vaccinated.
Yep.
Second
All
vaccination is done.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully we don't have any side effects. We'll let you know if we do.
Can we get any more weird, like,
Weird.
as a side effect?
Oh, as in like, could it make us weird? Yeah, probably. I don't know if it could make me say things any better.
No. Like, I already sound like I'm brain dead.
Yep, all done. Second one done. Grant has cleaned the car. It is beautiful now.
So not used to seeing it so sparkly.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah, it's
sparkly. Clean, all the red dirt is gone.
So, yeah.
Clean the caravan. Washed all the sheets.
It's about that time where the dogs are getting way too dirty and pongy. It's our first bath time in the van. And it's not going that well.
Oh, it's all right.
Well, it's not too bad. She's going okay, but Frank wants out and Baxter wants in. It's been too long.
Frank's the only thing.
How you feeling, Frankie?
No, we're not happy.
Don't like it.
No.
Look at that water.
So that's how much dirt came off Frank's dirty body. That's gross.
Filthy Frank.
Where are you, buddy? Do you feel clean?
He does. Or
You feel clean?
you're actually touchy-feely for a change.
You don't stink anymore? Oh, I still stink. Is it your turn?
Okay. Get off the sheets. Hey.
Frank, hop down.
Get off the clean sheets.
Come on, hop down.
Come on. Down. Move it. Fucking hell, Frank.
This is the best part of having a shower for Baxter.
Help.
Help. Oh help. Oh help's coming.
The aftermath of Baxter getting a wash. Wow. So I think there's a lot of desert in there.
Well, it's 3 months of desert, at
Yeah.
least.
Prime lamps. In
I
2018,
think we've done a lot by 12:30 today. Oh, you're recording me.
organised by Australian
Check it out, all my good moves making this thing then. Did all the fun things, edited a video. So we are now, it's about 5:30 in the afternoon, and we're just driving from Port Augusta up to Corn, up through Pitchy Ritchie Pass, and we're going to go to Corn and have a look at the silo. It's not art, I guess.
Light show.
It's a light show. So they have every night for free is a silo light show where they project like a movie and like artwork up onto the silo, and I think play music and stuff to it. So we're gonna go have a look. I think it starts at 6:30. Corn's about half an hour away from Port Augusta, and we've packed ourselves a little cheese platter and Caesar salad to have for dinner, and it'll be nice. Yeah. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully the dogs don't bark at people, and we can just listen and enjoy. I
Giddy
know.
optimism.
So anyway,
Anyway.
I'll show you it. I got some cheese and some cordial in SodaStream Fancy.
Fancy.
Just waiting for the show to start. There's the silo. Sun's starting to set. It's like 6:15. And I need to look up what channel you're supposed to tune the radio into so you can hear it all.
Things I didn't know until just now. Cool.
Last night we went out to Corn and had a look at the light show that they do on the silos out there. We really enjoyed that.
That was fantastic, you know, and it's for something so good, or as good and free as that is.
Yeah.
It wasn't busy, so it wasn't.
No, not
I
at
don't
all.
think it's advertised that well. And honestly, if you're in the area, go and check it out.
Yeah.
Especially if you enjoy the area, if you like trains. Yeah, definitely go check it out. And also history.
Yeah.
You know, it's the Welcome to Country done by the local
Elder.
elder was very well done and made you feel
Yeah, connected. So basically, yeah, it's like about an hour show that they put on the silo, and they take you through some history of the town, as Grant was touching on, and then they go through and have some local artists put up some of their artwork up onto the silo that you can, I think, go on their websites and purchase if you want to, but it's a free event, so definitely recommend going to check that out if you want to get a little bit more history on Corn. And it's like being in the drive-ins. We sat in our car. You can sit outside and go sit on the stools, but we sat in our car and watched it.
Also, the pubs do like a feed too, so you call ahead, order it, and they'll have it ready for you. So you can take it away and watch the show.
Eat your meal.
Tops. And also, the drive up there through the Pitchy Ritchie Pass at sunset, like late in the afternoon.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I'll do that again.
Yeah, it was beautiful. So definitely recommend that.